Introduction of biology. The word biology comes from two Greek words, bios, bis, meaning life. Logos, meaning study or discourse. So, biology literally means the study of life. Biology is the science of life and living organisms. It includes the study of how living things function, how they grow and reproduce, how they interact with each other and their environments, and how life evolves over time. Main branches of biology. Biology is a broad field, but it is commonly divided into three main branches based on the type of life form studied. Botany, the branch of biology that deals with the study of plants. Microbiology, the branch of biology that studies microscopic organisms, such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, and protozoa. Zoology, the branch of biology that focuses on the study of animals. Botany. Botany is the study of the structure, growth, reproduction, metabolism, development, diseases, and evolution of plants, algae, and fungi. Microbiology. Microbiology is the scientific study of microscopic organisms, including bacteria, viruses, fungi, protozoa, and algae. Zoology. Zoology is the branch of biology that deals with the study of animals, including their structure, behavior, classification, physiology, development, and evolution. Relationship of biology with other branches of science. Biology does not work in isolation, it is closely related to many other fields of science. These connections help scientists better understand life processes from different perspectives. Chemistry, physics, statistics, geology, technology, computer science, economics. Biophysics. Biophysics studies how physical forces, energy, and mechanics influence the structure and behavior of living organisms, from molecules to whole systems. Biochemistry. Biochemistry is the study of the structure, composition, and reactions of molecules in biological systems, such as proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. Biostatistics. Biostatistics involves the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of data in biology, medicine, public health, and genetics. Biogeograph. Biogeography is the branch of biology that explores where species live, why they live there, and how geographic factors affect their evolution, spread, and survival. Biotechnology. Biotechnology is the application of biological processes and techniques to create useful products in fields such as medicine, agriculture, food, and industry. Computational biology. Computational biology involves developing and applying computational techniques and mathematical models to understand biological processes, such as genetics, molecular structures, and evolution. Bioeconomics. Bioeconomics analyzes the interactions between living natural resources, like fish populations, forests, wildlife, and economic activities, focusing on sustainable use and conservation. Biology-based careers. Biology opens doors to a wide range of exciting careers in healthcare, research, environment, agriculture, and more. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine, Bachelor of Surgery. MBBS is an undergraduate degree in medicine awarded after completing medical school. It qualifies a person to become a medical doctor. Fisheries. Fisheries involve the study and practice of catching, farming, and conserving fish and aquatic animals such as crustaceans and mollusks, ensuring sustainable use of aquatic resources. Farming and agriculture. Farming is the practice of cultivating land and raising animals to produce food, fiber, and other products. Agriculture is a broader term that includes farming plus all related activities like soil management, crop production, animal husbandry, and agricultural technology. Animal husbandry. Animal husbandry is the branch of agriculture concerned with the breeding, raising, and caring of domestic animals such as cattle, sheep, goats, poultry, and others for food, labor, and other products. Biotechnology. These are professional paths that involve applying biological knowledge and techniques to develop products and solutions in healthcare, agriculture, industry, and the environment. Careers in biotechnology include roles such as biotechnologist, genetic engineer, bioinformatics specialist, biomedical scientist, pharmaceutical scientist, and more, focusing on research, development, production, and regulation of biotech innovations. Horticulture. Horticulture is the branch of agriculture that focuses on the cultivation, production, and management of garden plants, including fruits, vegetables, flowers, nuts, seeds, herbs, and ornamental plants. Forestry. Forestry is the science and practice of managing, conserving, and sustainably using forests and forest resources for environmental, economic, and social benefits.